Good morning. Yesterday we have seen literally Gundagiri inside Rajya Sabha. On television, on social platform, we have seen clips of videos where opposition political party who are having some problem with this farm bill, with these farm bills. Literally, when the bill was passed in Rajya Sabha and they are coming out with lots of saying that it's not proper, debate was not happened, the bill was passed in hurry and etc. I don't know what happened in the parliament, in the Rajya Sabha, but literally we have seen Gundagiri inside Rajya Sabha by opposition political parties. The member of parliament, the MPs, the Rajya Sabha MPs from opposition political parties literally showed that how they can do Gundagiri in Rajya Sabha. And center, who has already passed the two farm bills in Lok Sabha, with lots of protests, lots of hurdles, lots of problems, somehow managed to pass the bill, the farm bills in Rajya Sabha. Now, what I want to say, I am not going to discuss or say something about the farm bills because there are lots of expert people who will give you detailed information about the bills, what the bills wants to say and what not, because I have not read the bill. Even I am deadly sure the people who are protesting on road or who are on Twitter or other social platform saying about this, protesting against these farm bills, have not read the bill in details, because experts are there who reads the bill, who can explain you about the bill. But no, as it is the bill is passed by BJP Sarkar, so opposition political parties has to oppose. Now Parliament is a place where you can go for debate. There is no problem for heated debate. Debate has to be there. Parliament is a place where number of bills are passed and number of decisions are taken which are for the country. But when a place where debate has to happen, we saw yesterday fight or Gundagiri or Sadak Chhap type member of parliament, some opposition, some MPs did yesterday, like a Sadak Chhap. Now, is it the way to work inside parliament? And the chairperson, deputy chairperson, Harivansh ji was there when this debate was going on, when the bill was passed, and he was literally attacked. He was literally attacked and he was trying to calm down. He was trying to calm down the house, but the gundas or the Sadak Chhap type member of parliaments are really ashamed. We don't know what we need to understand. We need to think that what kind of person we have sent into parliament. This kind of Sadak Chhap people. And we saw yesterday Derek Oberoi, the quiz master, who is I really appreciated his in the way back. If you see, he's a quiz master. Derek Oberoi went to the chairperson and tried to tear the attempt. He has made an attempt to tear the rule book. That means Derek Oberoi don't follow any kind of rule. He don't want to follow any rules and always try to give the lecture on constitution. And the same thing if happened to in state assembly, then how Derek will reply? After that, coming out from the parliament, Derek said no, these are all bogus. He has got some videos. He will show at the right time. And secondly, another Sadak Chhap type member of parliament, Sanjay Singh from Aam Aadmi Party, when the things were when the chairperson, when the things was going out of hand, chairperson has to call the marshals. And we saw in the video clips how Sanjay Singh was fighting with the marshals. Arvind Kejriwal has sent Sanjay Singh in Rajya Sabha for doing this Gundagiri. And the Congress, who is trying to provoke all this situation, is also messing up all this thing. In parliament, the member in Rajya Sabha, the member of parliament is very scared of coronavirus can infection, etc. I think this session will end this Wednesday. But when there was fighting and when there was chaos On Rajya Sabha yesterday, there was no fear of coronavirus. Now, and Congress, I think in the Punjab, took out tractor rally for protest. Why they are coming doing protest on the road? Rahul Gandhi don't know that this is the pandemic time. We can do protests in other ways, not on coming onto the road, because coronavirus infection can increase. And if coronavirus increase, then Rahul Gandhi's tweet will start. See, if when the opposition is having some problem with the bill, opposition can go to Supreme Court, because a bill will become an act. If I am not wrong, bill will become an act only when president sign the bill. Now, if the opposition political party wants to go to Supreme Court and ask question to center to explain the bill and whatever they want to do, they can do. Go to Supreme Court and go for an ask question. Why the hell they did Gundagiri yesterday? You might be knowing it that people from around the world come and sit in the parliament and watch our parliament session. How democratic countries like country like India, which has got huge amount of population, can make bill pass, how they work. People come from, leaders come from around the globe and sit and watch and observe how the things are going on. Now this Gundagiri is shown all over the world, and we are ashamed. We are ashamed. Now I came to know today that 8 MPs has been suspended, but they are telling that they don't want to go, they don't want to leave, etc. What does it mean? They don't want to leave. These people are nothing but just politicizing the matter, because some political parties who have supported the bill in Lok Sabha, the same political party is not supporting the bill in Rajya Sabha. This Akali Dals has some different version and now they are having some different version. So these are nothing but bunch of political people. They want some issues, and I am telling you, these people, basically this is happening in Bengal, and Akalis are trying to do, because they want to win the election in Punjab. So people who have not read bill, and they are coming out with the Congress, which are coming had this tractor rally with brand tractors from showroom which has got no number plates. So this is nothing but sheer. It's a political matter. Venkaiah Naidu ji has taken us note of it. I think some has been suspended. I don't know they will leave or not, or they will be kicked out from the parliament. But the way this Gundagiri happened yesterday is really shameful. If they want to do debate, they should have done debate. There was very experienced leader were present, and the Sanjay Singh type people are not suitable for the Rajya Sabha. They should stay with the Delhi Assembly. And Arvind Kejriwal should take a note of it also. Arvind Kejriwal should take a note of it also, because he wants a follower of Anna Hazare. Yes, they can go to the Supreme Court, and wherever feel like go do argument, but please don't mess up this parliament. This parliament is a very पवित्र जगह है. कैसे लोग को हम भेज दिए पार्लियामेंट में, कैसे लोग को हम लोग भेज दिए पार्लियामेंट में. रूल बुक को फाड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, मार्शल के साथ लड़ रहा है. आपने कभी देखा? ऐसा करना बहुत खराब है. Very bad. I don't know what will happen in coming days. There will be protest तो होगा, बेकार का protest होगा, झमेला होगा, and they will try to do some movement of like anti-CAA type. They will be doing it in coming months. You just observe. These people, these political parties will not follow any guidelines of corona protocol something, and after that, if coronavirus infection get increased, these political parties will raise question. The hypocrite political parties. Some political parties are really hypocrite. Let's see what happens in coming month. Thank you very much.